Oh my God.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as promised, here are the details on the subscriber giveaway. Initially this was a 300 subscriber giveaway, but channel has grown so fast that we're over 600 subscribers now. So shout out to all of y'all that subscribed and comment on the videos. Really means a lot to me to see the channel growing and all the interactions that we're having. So let's get straight to it. We're going to be giving away a dash cam, as I mentioned before, and if you watch the video I did on the LED headlights, we're also going to be giving away a pair of those as well. So they are 6000K LED headlights, bulb number 9005. So if you have a 2016 and up Chrysler 300 with the halogen bulbs, these will work for your car. So be sure to check out the details on your car to see which bulbs that you use. Now there'll be two separate giveaways because some people may not need the bulb, obviously. So to enter, all you're going to need to do is type in the comments either dash cam if you only want to be entered for the dash cam, headlights if you want to only be entered for the headlights, or you can enter both and just type the word both and you'll be automatically entered for both. There's a website I'm going to be using that's going to scan the comments. It will automatically ignore any duplicates, so you guys only need to enter one time, and basically it'll randomly pick the winner. So that's how it's going to go. The drawing will be held on the 11th of December 2023, so a week from today of me recording this video, and I'll post the winner on that day. So just be sure that you keep an eye out for that video if you do enter, because you'll have 7 days from being announced as the winner to claim your prize. If you don't, it'll move down to the next person. So that's how it's going to work. Again, short but sweet. All the details will also be in the comments. You do need to be a resident of the continental United States. So as long as you live in the continental US and you're a subscriber to the channel, you're eligible for this drawing. So I just wanted to do this as a thank you for all the support that you guys have shown me. So I'm looking forward to announcing the winners. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you for all of your support, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.